Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with Kraken. First, you will need to create an account using a valid email address. After verifying your email, set a strong, unique password to protect your new account. To unlock higher funding and trading limits, you will need to complete identity verification, which typically involves providing some personal information and documents. This ensures a secure and compliant trading environment for everyone. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros, directly from your bank account using a wire transfer. Alternatively, you can transfer existing cryptocurrencies from an external wallet. Always double-check the minimum deposit amounts and estimated processing times for your chosen method, as these can vary. Kraken offers several options to suit your needs. With funds in your account, you are ready to trade. For simple purchases, head to the Buy Crypto section. If you prefer more control, the trade interface offers advanced order types. Here, you can place market orders for immediate execution, limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, or even stop-loss orders to manage risk. Kraken provides tools for both beginners and experienced traders. Security is paramount when dealing with digital assets. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account for an extra layer of protection. Use strong, unique passwords that are difficult to guess and never reuse them across different platforms. If you ever encounter an issue or have questions, Kraken's support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to provide assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.